Hello guys and welcome to this video. Today's video will be about how to create a tutoring business website on Wix.com. So the first thing to do is to create an account on Wix.com, then click on create new site. Then you should type the type of website you are creating. Let's say we have here tutoring business. So what will be services, school, center, or something like this. Let's just tutoring school. No, just services for now. I'm not saying that tutoring school is much harder to create, but we are selling services. Next, we have what would you add to your website? Chat, booking, pricing plans, something like this. Online store, forums, forms, and other things like this. Next, you can start up your business by going to the dashboard and following the steps, or you can just start designing your website here by choosing a template and starting editing. You can also let Wix create the website for you, and I think it's the best for now. So Wix will ask you some informations and then create the website for you. First, we have the logo, the name, the email, the address, the phone number, and the social accounts. After you fill this list up, you click on next and you pick a theme for your website. We have evolution, sophistics, high rise, play, clean, park. So it's tutoring services, so let's pick evolution. Now Wix editor will give us three homepage. Choose one of them. So here we have this one, and this one. Let's choose the one in the middle. Now you choose some homes, some pages to add to your homepage, some informations about the page, some services. We have here subjects, contacts, resources, and click on edit site. They will be directing you to your website. Here we have testimonials and about. After you done editing this website and filling with your informations, we have pictures and others. Put your tutoring business pictures and some informations about it. Click on publish. Here your website is published. After you put the plans or something like this, here we have online tutoring. You can book for the online tutoring. Here we have the testimonials, some people that already did that and can confirm if it's working. So here you can edit also the website on mobile here, how it will appear for people if they are using phones instead of desktops. Then let's go to the dashboard here and continue the steps to get our website ready and on the work. So here you only need to connect it to your domain, and here you will add services. So to connect it to a domain, you will need to upgrade your account to the VIP plan or something like this, business premium plan. Here we have online tutoring, press rep, school, and something like this. So here we have setting payment methods, link your PayPal account with your Wix account, publishing the website, we already did that, and the last step is to be found on Google. So to be found on Google, you will need to start SEO journey. here, what's the business of your brand or your business? Next, we have how do you serve your customers? So physically or online. So let's just say online. Which keyword you want to use? We have tutoring, school, tutoring service, services, ser. I think something wrong with these services. Services. And something like this. So the rules are simple. Keyword are phrases, usually 2 or 5 words, that help match your site, what customers enter into search engine. So choose carefully. Next, we have CEO checkup checklist. We have to complete this. Set your homepage title. So tutoring school, tutoring service. Next, we have add to the homepage description. So your website is now published and can be found on Google. Now you will need to connect it to a website, and like I said, it's premium feature. You choose a domain, then you pay for subscription on a plan, and you will pay monthly or annually. It's important to connect to Google and just start. So first complete your checklist. So it's important to complete this checklist before going on Google. So here add the homepage description, Madara tutorial here, and some points to fill up the space of the 50. Good. Apply and publish. Now you added the homepage research. I'm just showing you an example. And go on Google. Oh, I think I clicked. Yes, I clicked on the premium. So to connect, you should get the premium, the custom domain. And here are the page of domains. And let's say master Madara, but let's just do it without space and click on dot online com shop blog design tech. Let's use education. Is it available? Clicking on let's go. The .education domain is not available on wix.com sadly. So madara.com will it be? mastermadara.com is available, but to get it you need to upgrade, and by upgrading your site will be ready. And I think that's it for today's video. My job is done here. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe.